back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Yo, man, sorry for being so not with the videos lately, man. It's wedding season, and we're planning it right now. But anyway, man, if you guys want to give a huge thumbs up, comment down below. It helps the channel so much when I haven't been filming like I should. Our heads are divulged in this. Wow, that might be a sick word if I got it right. Dictionary it, boys. I don't know how to spell that, so I can't Google to see if I'm right. Giveaway real quick, thumbs up, comment down below. You guys know I'm giving away small little mystery baskets with fake jewelry that we have, you know, reviewed and stuff like that, that I've got really no use for, so that's sick. Also, big thing, it's Ian's birthday today, boys. I'm gonna bring it up for a surprise. This might be like kind of a short video and or maybe rushed with the editing, but I'm taking out to lunch in like 20 minutes, so we gotta get this done. Appreciate you, boys, man. I love you guys so much. Hold on, let's see if this guy's ready. It was vlog style this. Yo, Ian, I got the camera on, bro.
Oh, hey.
Do you have time before we gotta dip in like 10 minutes?
Yeah, I guess. What's up?
Happy birthday, by the way.
Oh,
I already saw him today, boys, so I already saw that. Anyway, I got something upstairs for you. I thought we'd make a quick little vlog video and, you know,
sure.
Say what's up to the boys. Do you want to say how old you are, Ian?
Old as now, I guess.
I told him we don't have time to edit, but I guess I'm gonna have to edit out that fuck word. Oh shit. Alright, dude. It's your birthday. Hey. I love you to death, boys. Wish Ian a happy birthday from the NameBran crew. You know, NameBran fam, I guess? I don't even remember at this point. We might have had a beer or two already before I started filming this video way in the morning. Yeah. We're about a cab. Don't worry, boys. Anyway, Ian. If you walk over to the table over here, big guy, I've got you a little gift.
Damn.
It's nothing big, but it's nothing small.
That's a lot of King Cans.
Yeah.
Holy hell.
Yeah.
Man, this all for me?
Yeah, no, it's all yours.
Hey, isn't this?
Yeah, I know it is. I know, yeah.
This, you won this at that event the other night.
Yeah, okay, so I won it. That's part of the joke of it,
yeah,
but I'm still giving.
This is the raffle prize.
Yes. But it's a lot of beer.
And it was more beer when you won it. I can see where there's beer's missing.
I might have had 4. But Ian, you're missing the point here. You're turning 28 today. It's a big day for you. I thought I'd give you the rest of them. Okay, I picked out the ones I liked, and I can. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, I don't even remember when I drank the other ones. It might have been a couple nights ago. But I thought, what a suiting gift for Ian's birthday. Sit down, buddy. I want to say a little speech to you, boys. This is just straight off vlog. Ian, my man, it's a birthday. You're 28.
Yeah.
You know, Kurt Cobain passed away at 27. Amy Winehouse, 27. Still off the cuff, boys. Michael Jackson, no, not that. There's a lot of stars that passed away at 27. You made it past 27. You're here now with the boys with some beers. And for that, I say, love you and have a good day. And let's go to lunch and stuff. I don't know.
Yeah, this
too good at speeches. Now let's sit down. Actually, yeah, you sit down. Ian, I have one more token of appreciation.
Oh, okay.
Is,
what's?
I'm feeling now self-conscious. It's not real.
Okay. Oh.
Sorry, boys. Camera cut off. Anyway, part of my speech. That is a token of what like, this is so weird, bro. Like, this is like actually so dumb. But Adam and I, like, do you guys remember Cameron and Adam or Ian, come up here. The lighting's not too good. Remember Adam and I have this thing of like, whoever like is financially stable enough to help out the other person will do it. Like, we've had this pack since we were 13. Adam and I. Okay. I'm giving you that pack. I don't want anything back. But when I can buy you a real one of those, or with any other money value, or unless you do it first. I'm not saying you're gonna. Actually, Ian's gonna be a lot more valued than me first, but you're on my list. It's you, Adam, and my mom, and obviously my girl. I'm not lying about that. So like, I got 4 people that I got to take care of. Obviously my grandparents, but by the time
this list is expanding rapidly.
Well, by the time I get that much money, I think they're probably gonna be. But I'm getting a little old, dude. Dude's got cancer right now, you know. But when that happens, anyway, I love you. That's like the realness of the video. That was kind of a goof. It came about money. It's not about money, but it's a token of like how much I love you.
It's a goof that'll keep me drinking for a while, so.
Yeah, no, exactly. Well, and I'm sorry for stealing the other ones. Do you mind if we crack one right now?
Okay, let's do it.
I already took some, so. What one do you want? What one do you like? Boys, we're vlogging it.
I don't know. I haven't tried any of these yet.
That's what we do. I have to put this up literally in 10 minutes, I think.
Should we match?
Yeah, if you're down. Is that one you want to give me?
Yeah,
A
sure.
Backcountry Brewing with a freaking crock on it. Let's go, man. We're going to end this video on a cheers, boys. A big happy birthday to Ian. Once again, I'm so freaking sorry for not vlogging as much. Just super freaking heavy times, man. And that chain thing, once I like said it out loud, I'm like, that's kind of weird. But it's like, it actually is like a token of my, like,
Okay,
I got my people. If ever it comes where I can help people financially, even your parents, I got you, you know? It's like,
Thanks,
it's
man.
like you're a brother to me. Anyway, cheers up.
All right.
Boys, love it to death. I freaking didn't put it on the camera screen. All right.
Nice.
Cheers. Say what you want to say.
It's a pretty decent beer.
It's actually not, it's a little fuzzy.
Yeah.
I should have probably put them in the fridge first.
I totally appreciate what you're trying to say, man, and like right back at you. I will always be there to help you if you need it. Which, honestly, I don't see that you will at this because you're doing great.
We'll see, man. I appreciate it, bro.
That's a YouTube life.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, see you,
All
boys.
right.
Appreciate it, man.
See ya.
Bye.